welcome back to our React series. In this video, we'll look into class component. So class component is a primary way to create a React component. So before introduce hooks into React, so actually only class component was there. And after introduce hooks, we can use functional component. So in functional component also we can use the life cycles and all. So still nowadays also class component is widely used for legacy projects. To in the class component, it is very easily we can use the life cycles hooks in React. Okay, let me create our first class component. So class component is a simple JavaScript ES6 class which is extents of react.component. So let me create first class component, that is I am giving name welcome, and it should be extend from react.component. Now inside react.component, okay, the class component should have a method called render, and inside render we can return something. So let me return some HTML element called header 3, and I am just writing welcome Alex. Okay, now if I want to use this class component inside our app component, let me remove header component first, and I am going to use our welcome component, so I can use it like this way. Okay, now we can see the welcome Alex in the browser. Okay, so this is the simple React class component. So React class component is a simple JavaScript class which is extends from react.component, and it should have a render method. So this is the primary definition of class component. Okay, now let me explore some more things. Like if I want to pass some data from our parent component called app component to our newly created component, that is welcome component, then how we can do this? Like if I want to pass name and I want to show that name inside our child component instead of Alex. So if I pass name is equal to suppose Bob, and that name properties I want to use in this place. So how we can do this? So inside class component we have props properties, so we can use it like this way, these props, and the properties which is being passed from the parent component, that is called name. So we can use it like this way. So if anything we want to pass from our parent component to child component, we can use properties, props. So here actually we set name, and we can use that name, this dot props dot name, this way, and in the browser it is coming exactly. Okay, now so this way we can handle like how properties inside our class component. Okay, in the next video we will see how we can use states in our class component, how we can managing the states and all. This way actually we can use properties. So one more thing in properties also, like we can send the data from child component to our parent component also. In this way, like here we are sending the name from parent component to child component, right? And we can use it this dot props dot name, right? But if I want to send some data from welcome component from this component to our parent component, then how we can do this? So in the next video we will talk about this. Okay,